Are you looking for new ways to make money online with traffic you already have? Whether it's from your blog, website, or even social media, there's a platform that helps you monetize very quick. It's called Monetag. In today's video, I'll break down exactly what Monetag is, the ad formats they offer, why they pay some of the highest CPMs in the industry, and how you can get started. Plus, I'll show you proof from real case studies, so stick around to the end. So what is Monetag? It's a global advertising platform designed for publishers who want to monetize traffic that includes website owners, bloggers, social media influencers, and even those running paid traffic campaigns. What makes Monetag stand out is that it's flexible, beginner-friendly, and trusted by publishers worldwide. So, one of the biggest reasons for creators who love Monetag is because of their high CPM rates. They work with thousands of advertisers worldwide in niches like e-commerce, finance, mobile apps, and more. Because of this large advertisers base, you get competitive earnings no matter what country your traffic is coming from. If you want proof, just check out the case studies on Monetag's official blog. There are real publishers sharing how they scaled their earnings using different ad formats. Another important part, Monetag has strict ad moderations. That means no scams, no adult content, no shock ads, and no phishing. So when you monetize your traffic, you don't have to worry about sketchy ads popping up on your content. That's a big win for anyone building trust with their audience. Let's talk about payouts, because that's what really matters. Monetag offers weekly payments with a super low minimum withdrawal of just $5. That's right, you don't have to wait months to get paid. They also support a wide range of payment methods like PayPal, Wise, wire transfer, crypto, and many more. So no matter where you are in the world, you'll find an option that works. Monetag gives you a lot of flexibility with different ad formats to choose from. That means you can test what works best for your audience. SmartLink, perfect for social media traffic. You just share one link and it automatically shows the most relevant ad for each user. Then you have Popunder ads. The most profitable format opens an ad behind the main browser window. Then you have push notifications. Users receive clickable messages directly to their devices. Then you got Vignette banner, full screen banners that captures attention. You got interstitial ads, full page ads that appear during navigation. Then you got in-page push style ads displays directly on your site. You can see all these formats right on the Monetag homepage. On top of all that, Monetag also offers a referral program. You earn 5% lifetime commission for every publisher you refer. 24-hour support. Their team is available whenever you need help. So you're not just signing up for a tool, you're joining a platform that builds to support publishers long term. So let's recap. Monetag is a platform that helps you monetize all types of traffic, whether from websites, blogs, social media, or even paid campaigns with high CPM rates. multiple ad formats, fast payouts, and quality ads, it's no surprise that publishers around the world trust them. If you're ready to start monetizing your traffic, sign up for Monetag using the link in my description. It's free to join, and you can start earning today. I'll also be testing Monetag myself over the next month. So if you want to see real earning updates, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my follow-up video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.